Well, hello everyone. I hope everyone having a great night. Guys, I'm just out walking and I'm gonna take you guys along with me just to let you know I am doing good. The emails that checking up on me, I am doing good. It's a lot of things going on behind the scene. You guys I will let you guys know as soon as things start working out, if it works out. But right now, you know what they say? Don't let your right hand know what your left hand doing, or your left hand know what your right hand doing. However they say it. But I am doing good. And another email they asked me. So I'm trying to answer your question and remember, because I'm walking. Do I associate with other van lifers? Yes, I do when I get a chance. And I do reach out to other people who do this life, who do the van life, RV life. I do reach out to other people. But you know, when you put YouTube van life, you have to make it what you want it to, what you want it to be. And it's, ooh, that truck. There's a lot of truck we passing here. So, forgive me for all the noise, But you have to make life, you have to enjoy your life. Do what's best for you. Yes, do what's best for you. What I'm going to say. And then somebody email me about other people, other van lifers. All I can say to that, I don't know about this specific person. I never been around them. They talking about this lady. They sent me an email with this lady doing all this talk. Said she a scammer, she this and that. If people choose to send donations, a presents, a gift, whatever you want to call it, that's not scamming. People are doing it from their heart and because they like the contents. They like that person. So I never been around, but I can tell you this. I can give you this advice. If you want to know anything about any van life or any RV, anybody, what you do is go on a YouTube channel. They have an email, probably for business, but you email them and ask them what's going on. Because if I did know anything about them, I still wouldn't say, because guess what? I'm trying to live my life with no mess. And I don't want anything to jeopardize what I'm doing, so no. So all I had to say on that note, you got to go to their channel and ask. I'm not gonna sit around a fireplace and talk about other van life. I'm not gonna do that. That is not, no. I'm trying to live a stress-free, and not a messy one, and not a messy van or RV life. I'm not trying to do that. I had a good day today. Let me head back. Good day today. I tell you one thing, it was hot. I think it was about 106 today. I went to the restaurant. Had me a chili dog and some steak fried. It sure was good. Sorry about the noise. It's a lot of trucks come this way. Oh, I forgot. Guys, don't forget to hit the like button, that share button, and that top bell. Ding, ding, so you can get notification of my videos. Guys, I just got to just be kind. You never know what a person going through. You never know. We all got to share this world together. We all have to live on this earth together. And once again, I'm doing this for me. I'm living my life for me right now. So I chose to live my life. I was traveling and stuff, you know. I was just going places anyway. But now it's a good way that I can travel, you know, in my van, in my car, and make it out of tiny home. Remember, I used to get on the bus. My family say, "Where Debbie?" I might be in Texas somewhere. So and camping, don't think I just started that. I used to camp all the time. People just don't know. Me and my ex-husband, we used to go camping all the time. We had a big old dome tent with a closet and everything. We used to love to go to Myrtle Beach and camp at the state park. So, how's everybody doing? Drop in the comment what your guys' temperature was today. It was like 106 today. Somebody always follow me. Follow me. Come on and follow me. Follow me. I know you better be following me. That's right. Follow me. I said follow me because guess what? I'm not a follower. I'm a leader. So that's right. Stay behind. Stay behind. Stay behind. Pooh. Let me stop. Woo-hoo-hoo. Welcome. Guys, the sun had went down. It's kind of like a dry hot. I'm sweating. And I'm telling you, I don't even have to turn on my hot water heater. That water come out there hot like the hot water heater already on. That little spot. Like you can come here and park, be by yourself. I don't know, I got some nerve walking through these woods, like, not wood, but. I better get swoop, swoop. Swoop. Well, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this walk with me. And don't forget to hit that like button, that share button, that top bell, ding, ding, so you can get notification of my video. Now let's take a look up in the sky and see what we can see. See, that's not I think that's not a star. That's like a tower. I think there's no stars up in the sky. Let me turn on light. You can see it's like a bluish, a dark blue. The lights don't do it no justice. It's dark out here. Well, with that being said, God, once again, be kind, and I'm sending some virtual hugs to everyone. And thank you all. Thank you for my new subscriber, my old subscriber. Thank you, Debbie, guys, for all your support. Thank you, guys, for reaching out to make sure I'm okay. I am okay. I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. You guys will see how good I am. With that being said, I love you. Bye, 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 bye. Bye, bye.